For me, I think being at an all-girls school really influenced my education by allowing me to focus on what actually matters. You get to quiet the noise and literally just be with a lot of other women to understand what it is to be a girl.
There's not that pressure when you're in the co-ed setting, walking down the hallway of impressing anyone. You're just there to develop your own relationships with the other ladies that you're in the classroom with. And it's really just an opportunity for you to focus on your own personal development and bettering yourself and seeing what you can bring to the table.
It's a sisterhood, a network for a lifetime. They never lose their friendships. There are opportunities for girls to have their voice heard and to serve in all the leadership positions.
It's made me more vocal. It's made me more confident in myself and in what I do throughout school.
It's an environment where the teachers teach them to find their voice and to use it early on. They're free to be themselves. It builds on their self-confidence.
It also is a very tough time in your life when you're like growing up and going through those years in high school, and so to have other girls and only girls around you is just super comforting, and it really helps build your character and makes you feel safe.
It's a lot of personal growth with each other, which it's a nice thing.
My daughters came from a co-ed education, but when we made the choice to move the girls to Duchesne, they just instantly blossomed. They stretched themselves in ways that they never had before. They laugh a lot louder and they have a lot of fun with their friends, not just outside of school, but on campus. There's never a day that they want to skip.